Hi everyone, Star and I is going the Butternut Trail. We're going to try to find a cave. We was out here a couple years ago, but the trail was closed due to a storm. So if we can find the cave, we're definitely going to let you guys see it. And welcome back to Nomadic Camping, where everybody is welcome. Let's go. I always say I'm going to pack light, and by the time I get a chair and a stove, butane, and all that, I'm never packing light. So I guess it's good for me though. We are on quite a climb already. Why can't these trails all be easy, Star? Whew. And I did get me some trekking poles, but I didn't bring them today because I have other plans and I didn't want to have my hands full. I do have her attached to my belt, as you can see, so I can have two hands. And thank you, Lower Michigan Adventures, for that idea. I never even thought of it until I seen him doing it. And unfortunately, this is a state park, so that's the rule. And she's going to have to stay on a leash today. All right. Look at this landscape. Isn't it beautiful? The leaves aren't on yet, but all different species of trees. Walnut, maple. Yeah, oak. Yeah, it's beautiful. Let's see if we can make our way to find the cave. I forgot to tell you what our plans are when we get there. We're going to set up and we're going to have some lunch. I brought me and Star a burger, and we're going to sit down and cook us a burger. Yeah. We haven't been able to get out and do this for a while. I will be out filming soon for an overnighter. I don't know exactly when, but we're going to have my granddaughter, and my wife is much better, by the way. She is the medicine that she is on is taking making her numbers really good now, so I feel better about leaving for a night. My one granddaughter is going to come and spend the night with Connie while I'm away. And so yeah, we are looking for the Butternut Trail Cave. All right, go. How does this keep getting under you? If any of my subscribers ever come to Malabar Farm State Park in Ohio and look for this cave, it's on the Butternut Trail and it's marked with white blazes, okay? We have discovered the cave, and we'll just go back in here and see what it looks like. I hope there's some areas back in here that we can cook a hamburger on. It's gonna get dark soon. What do you think, Star? She had to stop and get her a drink. Oh, that water looks fresh coming out of there. Whenever I collect my own water, I always try to make sure it's running on rocks, running through rocks. Did you guys know that bees can sting bees? Yeah, I I never knew that. Bees can sting bees. Oh yeah. Really camp back in here. A lot of places to camp. A lot of water though. A lot of water. See, we got running water right down here. And come on, Star. Let's go up in here. There is a place you could pitch back in there. And yeah, this is so cool. And there's another light up there. I don't know if I want to be right under that or not in case that fell down through here. This is so cool. You know me. I'm a cave dweller. I'm a ground dweller and a cave dweller. I'm going to do some hammock camping soon. But you know what? That would be a good place right there to cook a hamburger. Yeah. I'll find if I can find a level place for my chair without being in the water. I might go right out there to the edge of the cave. There's a nice flat rock out there. Yeah. I think I'm going to have a change of plans there. It's just too wet down in here. I think I'm going to look for a nice level place for us to settle in and cook our hamburger. Oh, this is fun. You know, a lot of times when you hear about caves, you'll get there and there'll just be a little overhang, maybe a couple feet, 4 or 5 feet deep, but this is actually a cave back here. Oh, here we are. You gotta have a bar of soap to clean up with too when you're done. I have some seasoning here that I made up. We are watching our sodium intake, and this is Dano, pepper, onion powder, and I think that's all it's got in it. And the Dano, I will tell you, has got a minute amount of sodium in it from sea salt, but it's very minute. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to season mine. I'm not seasoning Star's. There are some kids playing on some huge rocks. They're coming now, so we're going to shut her down for a little bit. Get that, everybody. That tree looks like it is deader in a door now, but if you look up there, it's got buds, budding at the top, so it's not deader than a door now. Just goes to show you, I still wouldn't want to trust sleeping under it. Look at that, them look pretty doggone good to me. Yeah, I think me and Star's gonna have a feast. And it's nice sitting in here in this woods. Just I can swivel and I can look at the different things. The caves over here, trails over here. I have people going by quite a bit. Yeah, we can cook our hamburger. I think this is Star's, and this one's mine. Yeah, mine has a little bit of the green seasoning. I guess there is herbs in that sodium-free seasoning. I think, Star, I think it's about ready. I gotta get your bowl. You ready for your hamburger? Huh? Let's get your hamburger. Let's go ahead and get yours out. You gotta let this cool. Actually, this is 85% lean, so it doesn't really have to be all the way done. They recommend that you get it all the way done if you've got 70% lean. But let that sit there and cool a little bit. You're going to have to wait, okay? No, you're going to have to wait a little bit. You'll burn yourself. Then, let's go ahead and make mine. Let's go ahead and make mine, Star. Well, that was an expensive outing. Is that good? Huh? I didn't even notice you knocked that over. It's okay. This is really good. Is it better with salt? Yes. Now, but the Dano seasoning and the onion powder and the pepper, it's almost as good, I'll put it that way. You got just as big a burger as I did. If she don't get at least one bite of what I got, though, she thinks I am treating her really bad, inhumanely. Go on, let's go. I think we had a good day today. We found a new cave that we've never seen before. We got a lot of exercise. We got to take a nice hike. Star got a lot of energy burn off. We made us a hamburger. Tried some new things, some new seasonings, some new bread. Trying to have a little healthier lifestyle.